What's the difference between PLC and SCADA? SCADA stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. It's a type of industrial control system used to monitor and control industrial processes at both large and small scales. SCADA systems acquire real-time data from sensors, communicate this data to central systems, and present it through user-friendly interfaces. They also monitor process parameters and trigger alarms when something goes wrong. Through this, operators can quickly assess and respond to changes, ensuring efficient and safe operations. Trend analysis and reporting capabilities help in predicting potential system failures and optimizing resource use. PLC, on the other hand, stands for Programmable Logic Controller. These specialized computers control machines and processes in industrial settings. PLCs execute complex logic operations, control the sequence of industrial processes, and handle timing and counting functions. PLCs gather and process data from sensors, triggering alarms and taking corrective actions when needed. PLCs are crucial for tasks that require precise timing, data handling, and alarm management. They also communicate with other systems, enabling centralized monitoring and control. In a nutshell, PLCs are focused on controlling specific machinery and processes while handling real-time control tasks. SCADA systems, on the other hand, provide a broader view, integrating data from multiple PLCs and other devices to give operators centralized control and monitoring. In many industrial settings, PLCs and SCADA systems work together. Combined, they create a powerful system that drives efficiency, safety, and productivity in modern industries. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more industry insights.